Hello, I'm Jackie. Welcome to Domatters, your Chinese sourcing expert. Our aim is making imports and selling products from China easy, fast, and secure. Perhaps you've considered traveling to China to find some connections or get quotations from thousands of Alibaba suppliers. But telling the truth, finding Chinese products and suppliers can be complicated, confusing, and even costly due to different cultures and restrictions on the internet and government rules. That's why we start this very service to help importing from China much easier. How? Listen carefully. We could charge in everything and provide our one-stop service. Moments after getting your inquiries, we will based on your sourcing needs and give you a reasonable quotation. When the quotation is accepted, sourcing agent will give you a list of manufacturers with price. Some of them may come from common platforms like Alibaba, 16888, Baidu Purchasing, and Trade Affairs. What's more, the best part of our services is in most of our providers. You can't find them on Alibaba or Trade Shoes, but they offer best competitive goods. How do we do price negotiation? I hear you ask. During we are sourcing products, we compare retailers and find fit one. We do the quality control to make sure that your product's quality perfect. We also provide warehouses if you are in need of restoring, inspecting, and shipping. About shipping, Domatters take care of all documents including bill of lading, package list, invoice, and transportation to make sure that your package is safe. For us, FOB and CIF are both acceptable. Of course, if you have any other requirements, feel free to let us know. In the last 3 years, our team have helped over hundreds of sellers, taking their business to the extraordinary level. And our customer scale ranges from Southeast Asia to North America and even Europe. Beyond that, they also have a wider range of products, from food, cutters, fitness equipment to machinery, 3C, power storage, and high technology, etc. Their growing feedbacks let us know we are doing something right. We are doing matters. If you need to source in China, don't hesitate to contact us. Domatters makes your sourcing process easy, affordable, and assist you in selling best products. We are always ready here to help you succeed.